What is up, everybody, and welcome back for another episode of Jesse's Drone Adventures. Today we got a real treat for you because we're going to go back to Two Guns, Arizona, and we're going to explore the Apache Death Cave. Let's go! There she is. Okay. This is literally like something out of a horror movie. Ugh. So for those of you that don't know, the Apache Death Cave was a place back in like the late 1800s, 1878 I do believe, where a bunch of Apache met their maker. They were suffocated in a cave right up here that we're going to go explore because they raided a Navajo camp and they pretty much killed everybody except for like 3 women and, you know, looted and stole a whole bunch of stuff. And then karma is a bitch because the Navajo ended up coming back, finding them, hiding in their cave, and they ended up smoking them out. So I'll give you a little bit more details as we go along here, but let's get right into the cave. We're the only ones here right now, and I want to keep it that way because you never know. All right, guys, so we just got to the entrance of the Apache Death Cave. Let's have a look. There she is. This looks like Hamunaptra. You know what I mean? From the movie The Mummy? All these ruins and old abandoned structures, the bridge over there.
Can you believe it? Hamunaptra.
Let's go inside the creepy cave. Okay, so just gotta watch our feet here. These boulders are no match for me. All right, and for those of you who see this video, this beam right here is strong enough to hold you, I promise. This is recorded in October of 2020, and if it falls, I'm screwed, but we should be okay. I've already been on this thing a couple times this year. Just want to watch where you put your feet. No match for Jesse the Mighty.
So I gotta say right now, I'm about 90% scared, 10% excited. Or maybe it's 90% excited, 10% scared. I don't really know, but that's why I love it. The thrill, the excitement. Let's go in.
Whoa. Okay. Making our way in the cave, walking slow, taking our time. Because we're life-bound. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Okay. It's gonna get a little dark here, but I promise it'll lighten up. Well, I'll just turn my headlamp on. Little opening right up there. Gotta watch your head for this. There's a little opening right up here too, guys, so you can kind of see a little bit better where you're going. Hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Maybe I'll try going in there on the way back out. Like I said, I'm out here by myself, so just gotta be a little careful. We'll try going in there on the way back. But first, let's see this cave. Okay, now we're gonna get back into the big chambers here. Yikes. A little creepy, not gonna lie. It's like, as long as I can get some good footing here, I'll give you guys a view. Okay. Big open chamber right here. That's a dead end. Let's make our way back here. Wow. It's crazy to think there was an actual civilization that was living down here at one point. But you stayed nice and cool though. Ow. Ceiling lowers a little bit. Ooh, that looks pretty narrow. Should we try for it? Well, we're going to. I might need to take my backpack off to make it through here. And for those of you that are claustrophobic, now might be a good time to, like, I don't know, fast forward it like another 45 seconds or so. Ow. Okay. We're making it. God, this is so narrow. Talk about claustrophobia city. No open way there. Okay. Waiting just to... Wow, what the heck? That was my backpack. Felt something tapping my back pant leg. Gotta keep an eye out down here. You never know what you're gonna find. Okay. It's so cramping down here. Look how narrow this is, guys. It's crazy. All right. I don't know how much farther we can go. Watch out for ankle biters. Yeah, I know this isn't even, but I am, what do they call this, spelunking? Ugh. God, that was a tight fit. Whew. So I just shimmied my way through that. Was not fun. Actually, kind of was fun. Ugh. Ugh, man. I think, are we topped out yet? Yeah. I can't make it back there. Certainly can't make it back there. Unless you're like a toothpick person. And by that I mean really super skinny. But I'm not. I'm not fat either, but I mean I'm just not thin enough to get through back there. Okay. Let's make our way back here. Ugh. I am literally rubbing up against these walls to make it through. That is how tight it is. Like I say, I'm 5'10", 190, 195, and I can make it through here, for the most part, pretty smooth. But, I don't know, you just want to be careful because these places can be dangerous. Ooh, creepy. But I felt something on the back of my neck that was just like dust, rock dust. Okay, ouch. Oh, I don't know how well, it's pretty dark, I don't know how well you guys can see me, but we're making our way out. And that is how narrow it is back there. A little intimidating, but like I said, you gotta do it. Conquer the fear. All right, we're gonna turn this around. Okay. A little dead end there. Get my camera positioned the way I want it to. Ugh. I literally have to take my backpack off and hold it on my right hand because there's no way I can make it through. This is literally like something out of a horror movie. Ugh. With that right on my back. Ugh. This is the part where it gets a little tight. Oh, my shirt caught. I just bought this. Ugh. Feels like I'm being born again. Get it? Because, yeah, well, you know what I mean. Okay, so that was a little scary, but we made it. We're gonna head back up and see if we can't go up through that first little corridor on the right that we passed when I got here and see what's in there. Oh, someone's having a little party. Fireball. Don't know who left that there, but you know what? You guys are my kind of people. Okay, let's get this camera, there we go, positioned a little better. Starting to warm up a little bit. Yeah, the Navajo found the Apache because they felt like a heat coming up through the ground. It smelled like fire and smoke, so that's kind of what gave them away. Like Blair Witch stuff in here. But once they got their location, they came back with a little bit of an army, and that's when they set fire to the entrance to smoke them out. And then the Apache, they had horses down here, so what they did was I do believe they slit their throats and used the blood to kind of, you know, hold off the fire, and they stacked the horses' bodies up at the entrance where we came in at to kind of, whoa, Jesus, ugh, gotta be careful on these boulders. But they stacked the bodies of the horses to kind of, you know, slow down the progression of the smoke. And unfortunately, they didn't last too much longer after that. Our little cubby there. I just heard a little beep, and I'm hoping that's my GoPro. Alright. Yeah, gotta watch where you're putting your feet. They may look stable, but these rocks can be super, super loose. Alright, let's see what we got back here. That just does not look safe. But if it was safe, it wouldn't be as fun. So we're gonna check it out here. Ugh. Okay. Ugh. What is that? Don't know. My awesome hiking shoes. Okay, let me position this camera a little better. There we go. Okay, let's see what's back here, guys. Ugh. I've seen people on YouTube crouch to get through back there, but because I'm the only one out here, I'm not gonna do it. Man, I'm running out of breath because I got my backpack on, and yeah, just not a good idea. I don't think it goes too much farther back though either, so it's pretty cool. Maybe we'll save that one for another day. This totally screams The Mummy. Like toward the very, very end when, who was it, Benny? He was trying to make way with the gold, and he ended up setting the gold on some sort of little contraption that started bringing down the place, which is a hell of a topic to talk about right now.
Goodbye, Benny.
Whew. You hear that? Nothing. Just dead silence. We're gonna head out this way where the lighting is, and we're gonna go off into that other ruin. Let's see what's over there. Okay, there's where we came in. Oh, that is pushing it. See if I can give you guys kind of a little view in here. Just another little chamber. Oh, hold on. There we go. You don't need to see my fingers. Yeah, they definitely would have kept nice and cool and dry down here. Until a flood came in, of course. But for the most part, it definitely does feel super, super dry down here. Whew. And there you have it. Kind of a first-hand look at the, thought I saw a shadow. It's the last thing I want to be seeing right now. But yeah, first-hand look at the Apache Death Cave. I feel very accomplished because I did it on my own. Alright everybody, that's about all the time we have for this week's episode, so if you enjoyed what you saw, definitely go ahead and smash, punch, kick, heck, even throw something at that like button. I would greatly appreciate it, and if you want to see more amazing content, go ahead and tap that subscribe button as well. You won't regret it, I promise. And for those of you that aren't quite ready for the party to end as of just yet, don't worry, I got you covered. A playlist will pop up here in the next couple seconds, so that way you can continue the fun. Just click it. What have you got to lose? As always, I just want to say thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you guys next week. Take care.